All right, this is data over drama here. Okay, we hear it all the time from so many hosts. I'm not showing up. I don't feel like anybody can find my listing. People are trying to find my listing. Let's calm that down and let's go with the actual stats. All right, so this first page search impression rate, super important, right? This is how people are finding you. This is like the top of your sales funnel, if you will. So the more people that we can get eyes on our property, the more likely we're gonna get to that booking and that conversion rate. So here's what we wanna do. Right now, we just need to log into your account, find the exact, your percentage right now, and we wanna start gathering historicals, okay? We're just like, this is where we're starting from, and we wanna get this percentage up, and we're gonna start making some tweaks to our listing to make sure we're improving our first page impression rate. The second stat we wanna take a look at is the search to listing conversion, okay? So we had that first page, they found us on the first page, and then they're like, oh, that's who I wanna take a look at. So once they found us, are they clicking on our listing to actually dig in deeper? So here's some things that you want to pay attention to get them to click on your listing and hopefully book. You really want to pay attention to the price. Obviously, are you competitively priced? Your photos, of course. Those 5-star reviews are so important. And then your listing title. And the third and final stat that we want to look at is the listing to booking conversion. Of course, this is like an exciting one. This is where we're getting the shmoney, honey. So it's how many people actually got onto your listing and then converted into a booking, an actual guest revenue booking. Okay, you're like, great, cool. I've got all the stats. Now what do I do? Number one, feel super pumped and proud of yourself because you're digging into the analytics, okay? This is the data over drama. So here's what you want to do. You are going to have some patience, okay? I can't let you go in there and change all your photos around and, change pricing. You've got to take it slow here, okay? You need to start looking at the analytics, setting a time each week in your calendar where you can dive in. I want you to change one thing at a time. See which one is really moving the needle. And if these numbers fluctuate and maybe they go down a bit, maybe they go super high, we're in this for the long haul, okay? Or at least the folks that we want to be hosting. So we really want you to dig in, take it slow, change one thing at a time and see how it changes your statistics, all right? But good luck with this. And the biggest thing is I want you to get excited about this. This is where it is the data over the drama. You can start to control your future, take a look at the stats and see where you're ranking.